Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Goodnotes crashing during imports in 2026. Are you having trouble importing files into Goodnotes? If it crashes, don't worry, here's how to fix it. But before you start, let me get you in this situation. For example, you try to import files. You're gonna launch the Goodnotes application, then you're gonna go to the new button right here and click on it. Once you click on it, you're gonna go to the import. You're gonna scroll all the way down until you see the import and you're gonna select import. As you can see here, I'm already past the limits of importing or creating notebooks. So because the free version only allows you to import 3 versions. So make sure to upgrade your GoodNotes app plan so you can be able to create more than 3 documents. Now after that, you're gonna check the file size and format. You're gonna for example, I'm gonna delete a notebook right here. I'm gonna select a notebook and I'm gonna delete it so I can have the space like this. I'm gonna delete it from the screen. Click on delete. Then I'm gonna go to the trash and empty the trash like this. Select it and delete permanently. Now let's go back and try to import some documents. It's the same procedure. You're gonna go to import and import a file from your recent files. As you can see here, there's a PDF file. I'm gonna try to import it here. Now after that, you're gonna try to convert files to PDF if needed. Also, restart the app and try again. You're gonna hold the power button until you see the restart option. And once you see it, you're gonna click on restart and restart the app, then relaunch the Goodnotes application again and try importing the file again. You can also update the Goodnotes application to the latest plan by going to the Play Store or App Store and check if an update button is available there and free up storage space on your device. Now, import caches are usually easy to fix. With simple steps, follow this guide and get back to work quickly. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.